Welcome to the comprehensive training video on NissanConnect services, your gateway to a world of connectivity and convenience. In this tutorial, we'll cover all the details and features available on the Help menu of the NCS app. Help menu icon. If you ever need assistance, the Help menu icon provides several tabs for your convenience. These tabs include Web Page. Clicking on this tab will redirect you to Nissan's official website. FAQ. This tab contains a list of frequently asked questions related to NissanConnect services and similar topics. Nissan Assist. By selecting this tab, you'll be redirected to the Nissan Assist webpage. Contact Us. Choosing this tab will take you to Nissan's Contact Us webpage. Local Customer Service Hotline. Clicking this tab will instantly connect you to a customer service representative via a phone call. Feel free to explore these options for the help you need. Additionally, for providing feedback and suggestions, you can access the lower tab,